Before cleaning, wipe dry an area slightly larger than WINBOT to ensure proper attachment. Press and hold the WINBOT Power On/Off button for 2 seconds. After you hear the fan start, place WINBOT against the glass. It will attach automatically and begin cleaning. You can switch cleaning modes at any time by briefly pressing the Page Up, Down button on the station. When WINBOT begins cleaning, it automatically chooses a path based on the window size. After finishing one side of the window, if the wiping pad is heavily soiled, simply place it into the station's cleaning chamber and choose one wash mode based on how dirty it is. During cleaning, you can pause WINBOT by briefly pressing the Start, Pause button on the station. WINBOT will stop in place. To resume, press the Start, Pause button again, and WINBOT will immediately continue and complete the remaining cleaning task. When you need to move the station during cleaning, firmly hold the station handle and reposition the station. After WINBOT finishes cleaning, it will automatically return to its starting point, ready to be removed. Press and hold the WINBOT Start button for more than 2 seconds. Once the fan stops, follow the audio prompt to remove the WINBOT. Thank you for watching. Tap Help in the app settings to find more advanced operations.
ECOVACS, created for ease.